Assalamu alaikum. I am Adil Hassan from level 2. Now I am going to say the name of surah in our Holy Quran. Insha'Allah. Al-Fatiha, Al-Baqarah, Al-Imran, An-Nisa, Al-Ma'idah, Al-An'am, Al-A'raf, Al-Anfal, At-Tawbah, Yunus, Hud, Yusuf, Ar-Ra'd, Ibrahim, Al-Hijr, An-Nahl, Al-Isra, Kahf, Maryam, Taha, Al-Anbiya, Al-Hajj, Al-Mu'minun, An-Nur, Al-Furqan, As-Su'ara, An-Naml, Al-Qasas, Al-Ankabut, Ar-Rum, Al-Luqman, As-Sajda, Al-Ahzab, Zaba, Fatir, Yasin, As-Saf, As-Sad, Zumar, Ghafir, Fussilat, As-Surah, Az-Zuruf, Ad-Duhan, Al-Jaziyah, Al-Ahqaf, Muhammad, Al-Fath, Hujurat, Qaf, Ad-Dariyat, At-Tur, An-Najm, Al-Qamar, Al-Rahman, Al-Waqi'a, Al-Hadid, Al-Mujadila, Al-Hasr, Al-Mumtahana, As-Saff, Al-Jumu'ah, Al-Munafiqun, At-Ta'abun, At-Talaq, At-Tahrim, Al-Mulk, Al-Qalam, Al-Haqqat, Al-Ma'arij, An-Nuh, Al-Jinn, Al-Musammil, Al-Mudassir, Al-Qiyamah, Al-Insan, Al-Mursalat, An-Naba'u, An-Nasiyat, Abasa, At-Takwir, Al-Infitar, Al-Mutaffifin, Al-Insiqaq, Al-Buruj, At-Tariq, Al-A'la, Al-Usiya, Al-Fajr, Al-Balad, As-Shams, Al-Layl, Al-Duha, As-Sarh, At-Tin, Al-Alaq, Al-Qadr, Al-Bayyinah, Al-Zalzala, Al-Adiyat, Al-Qari'ah, At-Takasur, Al-Asr, Al-Humazah, Al-Fil, Al-Quraish, Al-Ma'un, Al-Kawsar, Al-Kafirun, An-Nasr, Al-Masad, Al-Ihlas, Falaq, Nas. Assalamu alaikum.